Corrosion in concrete gained worldwide attention at a recent ACI convention, where findings showed that corrosion is responsible for more than 80% of all damage to reinforced concrete structures. When steel corrodes, the resulting rust occupies a greater volume than the steel itself. This expansion creates tensile stress in the concrete, which can cause cracking, delamination, and spalling, eventually leading to the failure and collapse of roofs and structures. Maxon Technologies has an amazing range of products that have the capacity to not only restore and renew concrete, but also extend its life. These shoreline piles along the prestigious Malibu beach were affected by the harsh environment created by the Pacific Ocean tides coming in twice a day. Using our products, these were restored in record time. To showcase our abilities, we will address this issue with a comprehensive procedure that abates corrosion on both the visible rebar as well as the rebar that is still covered by concrete. Working as a system, Maxon products will act as a penetrant and a barrier to solve this widespread problem. Each step uses waterborne products that are easy to apply. Cure times are minimal, and the products are safe for the applicators and safe for the environment. First, we tested the surface by knocking with a hammer to check for hollow sounds. We then used a high-pressure power wash to remove all the loose debris and delaminated surfaces, exposing the rebar. Next, we used an airless sprayer to apply Maxon CP. Maxon CP is a revolutionary product that is able to not only extend the life of concrete, but also help in the proper restoration of spalling concrete. When sprayed onto virgin concrete, Maxon CP has the ability to penetrate up to 15 centimeters deep into the concrete. Maxon CP neutralizes chlorides and acids, bringing the salts out to the surface, thus stopping corrosion. Studies have shown that the compressive strength of concrete is highest when the concrete has a higher pH value. Maxon CP has the ability to halt the dropping pH level, preventing concrete from deteriorating further. Hence, treating new or old concrete with CP can extend the life of the surface up to 50% more than its expected life. After a short time, the concrete began to purge out the salt, turning the concrete white. This purging may last up to 2 days and stops 2 of the major causes of corrosion and spalling: salts and chlorides. After this, Maxon HW was sprayed directly onto the concrete and the exposed rebar. Using an airless sprayer, we simply sprayed Maxon HW onto the concrete surface. Maxon HW penetrates the surface up to 15 centimeters deep. Not only does it penetrate, but it also puts a stop to concrete cancer. By converting the excess alkaline contents into a hydrogel that fills the empty pockets in the concrete, thus stopping water from seeping through, it creates a 100% water block. This treatment will continue to shield and protect the interior concrete for many years. This method allows for the first time a way to control the incipient halo effect of embedded concrete. Next, we treated the rusty rebar with Maxon CRS. Maxon CRS is a rapidly curing primer designed to bond with all metal on both corroded and non-corroded surfaces. It treats ongoing corrosion and damage by penetrating tightly adhered rust up to 500 microns and curing it. It contains oxygen-blocking and electrolyte-neutralizing properties that pacify the corrosion process, thus stopping and preventing rust. The cement in a concrete mix does not contain any natural bonding agents. Thus, when fresh concrete is added on top of rebars or an existing layer of concrete, the two will not adhere. Once cured, the new concrete simply sits on top as a separate layer and will not produce a strong substrate. Hence, we apply Maxon C2M onto the rebar and the existing concrete. This creates a strong adhesive bond with the rapid curing concrete applied over this. The final result is a totally restored shoreline pile, ready to meet the harshest environments. Maxon Technologies, the ultimate solution.